Good morning, students. Welcome back to the online classes of KVD Academy. Myself Kishan sir as your computer science teacher. Today I am going to teach you classes 5, 6, 7 and 8. Subject computer. Topic is MS Word 2013. You know MS Word. MS full form is Microsoft Word. And Microsoft Word is a software program that will help and it is only useful for the manipulate the text. It is very important software from where you get make your greeting card also, envelope also, and mail marks to your friends in your birthday party or in your wedding ceremony. Means this application, this software very important for every atmosphere in the versions of Windows 98 or Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 8, Windows 7 and others circumstances. You see this very, feature is very important in MS 2013. There are some important features which in one by one I will highlight you. First one is word processor. You know word processor. Word processor means you can make your text document very highlight in a bold, in a italic, and it looks very beautiful to you. And this process helps you to write every programs, and between the programs, suppose you make a one envelope card. In the envelope card, you could write your the name of the person who you want to invite. This means the word processor is help to manipulate the text documents, and it is a spreadsheet, and it is a Microsoft spreadsheet program. This is very important for you. Second one is creating and saving a document. Suppose you want to create a MS Word, you go to the keyboards and press a Ctrl plus N buttons. You get a new option, creating a new option. You can make a new things like greeting cards also. One of the and makes a one of the, suppose you make a watermark also from the this creating and want to saving a document. You save a document by pressing Ctrl plus yes. In keyboards you can save it by pressing Ctrl plus yes. Means this creating help you to create your documents, your performance, and make attractive colors, looks, appearance. It is depend upon you. And by pressing Ctrl plus N you can get the MS Word programs, and by pressing Ctrl plus yes you can save the documents. Third one is editing a document. In a document, suppose you make a very too much mistakes, and between the mistakes you want to edit some things. Then you look. Suppose you make a one envelope, and you think in the minds, I want to edit it because these things is not good. There's a left alignment or to right alignment just mind. So of this feature you can edit a documents. You can modify a documents and look very good in appearance, and theme of this documents it looks very beautiful. Fourth one is checking spelling and grammar. Suppose you want in MS Word, if you typing anything and there is an error, grammatical error, that can highlight you. There is a red color. Means if you write anything, there is underline. There is a red color. This red color symbolizes you that there is a grammatical mistakes. Means by pressing F7 in keyboard, you can get this proposal, this editing process, checking and spelling grammar. And after checking and spelling grammars, you can check your spellings and other things. Suppose you get a navy V color here, there is a, and suppose there is a spelling, suppose you mistake a spelling double L here, single L is here, a red color come here. This is known as your mistakes. And suppose there is a grammatical error, then a green wavy lines come here, underline this. This is known as a grammatical error. With these features help you to edit yourself and make your appearance good, and there is no doubt of grammatical mistakes or spelling mistakes. Using the thesaurus. The thesaurus means this is a synonyms of anything. Suppose you want to have synonyms. These synonyms give you a greater idea of the next meanings of this same thing. This help you to write synonyms. Second point is adding header and footer. Suppose you want to write anything in a heading. So suppose you write here computer, this is not a header, and this mail mark is known as footer. Means header and footer separate the two pages. Here there is if you push a header, the computer points header. There is a line. This lines come. This portion is header and this portion is footer. They give in this A4 size paper, the page is come between 2 points. One is header, second one is pages. And these features help you to write heading in above the lines. And you want to write any heading in the below level, you can choose the option footers. Number 8 is numbering pages. Suppose you want to type in a computer so many pages, 100 pages, 200 pages. but you don't want to in which pages this thing is right. So by the applying this option numbering pages, you can write the pages in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and by pressing one button 1, you can get a one option immediately. Means this help you to consume your times much and less efforts give you an appearance. This feature is very helpful for numbering pages. It is come in the below the pages. Now 9 is printing a document. Suppose you type anything in the computers you want to print, so you go to the option Ctrl plus P. By pressing Ctrl plus P, and after that you can check it print preview also, where the left alignment, where is left alignment, where is right alignment, where top margin, low margin. That help you to give accurate and your question and your papers, but the output which come from the printer, it looks very good. Next 10 point is inserting a symbol. In insert symbol, if you want to write anything, this you can insert symbol. You write square root tables. These symbols you get from the inserting symbol by go to the insert menu. There is a menu. So much symbols are there. Some you want to symbol this one. These also symbols you get in the inserting a symbol. These symbols give you attractive looks. If suppose you write anything in the mathematics, you want to symbol of plus, multiply, you will get from this inserting symbols. Next 11 is word art. This word is very important for you. In this word art, you go to the insert menu, where you see this huge capital letter A is written just like. And this option you can write your anything in a this one manner also. Suppose you write a Ram, you can Ram this manner also. Looks this also, this zigzag way. Means these features in this Ram, this one also, this one also, this one also, in any color, any performance, any looks. This help you, this word art features help you to write any text in a looks manner, and it is very colorful way. Too many colors are there available that help us to write your word art features in a very used manner and colorful way. Next 12 points is clip art and pictures. Go to the insert menu and there is a clip art. Suppose you write anything, suppose this background color is black, you go to the clip art, and the clip arts, there are many symbols are there. Many symbols are there. So tiger also there, lion, trees, other. You can give this background color to among the tiger shapes, tigers, also sceneries also. And between the there's also pictures, and go to the this clip art. There's a pictures also. By inserting pictures, you can write the forward color, backward colors, and looks your pages very attractive, colorful, flying with flying colors, and looks very attractive. And these features, clip arts and pictures help you to modify your text, looks attractive, and from the other side, all the people's suppose you publish it, it look very attractive. 13 is a page setting. Suppose before print view printed it, you should go to the page setting. In the page setting, you go to see the you going to page in a normal way or standard way, in a fast way, in a black and white color or gray color or in a colorful color. This page setting help you to modify your text. Next 14 is find and replace. This find and replace is very important for you. Suppose you write anything in the computer, 100 pages you write in the computers, and your computer science teacher asks you, so all where you get W letter, you should convert all the W letter to I. Then how it is possible? It is possible only with the help of find and replace. In a keyboard, you press Ctrl plus F. In a keyboard, you Ctrl plus F. Find options come there. In the find option, you write W here. And after further, you go to the below the level. There is a Ctrl plus yes symbol, and in the Ctrl plus yes, you can write I. After you pressing enter, you see all the W letter where you write in the 100 pages in your computer, it convert into a I. These features help you to write anything in the code, sort your pages also. And the 15 point is tables. Suppose you write anything in a table, so there you can write these things in the table. So this like manner. This is the row and column. So this row and column help you to write in the columns, and this is known as tables. And you can printed your term. Suppose you got in your school, you get a timetable. You see this like a timetable. You write your code. There is a mail marks also. And 16 point is mail marks. This mail marks feature very helpful in MS Word. Suppose you want to mail is 100%, you can write a mail marks to 100% by typing only by their email ID also, by your their name also, and this suppose you want to invite your friends in a birthday party, You simply all of you invited in your birthday party, please come. It's right here, and these things you get to all the 100 students of the schools or other persons also. Just like you get message from the school that tomorrow will be holiday, anything. All the mobile numbers are written there. By pressing all the mobile, only one message I write here. Tomorrow will be holiday. You could reach to all the 100% or 1,000 persons that is student in that were studying in the schools. It is all system features makes the MS Word 2030 looks very appreciable, and looks very good. And all the students of the schools and are very like this MS Word pages. They use for drawing also, for printing document also, make a greeting card also, make a pamphlet also, make a wedding card also. This is a multi-purpose things that help you to make your looks and appearance very good. Thank you. Have a nice day.